Hi guys, this is Marianga. I'm off duty today and welcoming spring season. And I'll show you what am I doing.
And this is my weekend's itinerary, revealing my real life living here in Japan.
Unfolded dress. My garden is not ready yet. Oh my. Alright, we are now ready to clean up. And let's make our house beautiful. First, let's start at the garden. And then, because I think it will rain later, so let's clean the garden first. Let's do gardening and then let's go inside. Tough work! As a working mom, you really need to do both. Both work in the house, and work in the hospital. Wish me luck! I wish I can finish this all with the help of my kids. Takumi and Rain, of course. If they don't listen to me, I need to put some extra power to make them do their duties and work to help me. Naku guys, ang daming gagawin. I don't know how to start. I don't know how to garden. I don't know. But let's just remove the dried leaves. Okay, let's start. Let's enjoy it. Fresh air, not too sunny. I think it will rain later, so we need to move fast. I love a house with a garden, but I don't know how to do gardening. So I'm scared of yung mga insect. Tabi-tabi po! Insect! There's an insect inside. By the way, guys, they said if you're doing gardening, you should sing. I find a very special love in you, and it's totally in you. Oh. Yan, medyo lumilinis na. Medyo na ayos-ayos na ang aking garden. Konti na lang. Alright, nalinis na ng konti ang mga kalat-kalat. Ayan. Ayos-ayos na ang ating garden. At look at this. Ang dami naming nakuha mga dry leaves. Ilang pagkahiyan. Oh, ang dami. Sa likod naman ay, wow! Clean na siya! Kanina ang kalat-kalat niya. Tingnan natin sa kabilang side. Yay! Hindi pa tapos. Actually, ganyan siya kanina, guys. Super kalat. And next time, ito naman ang ating titirahin. Pahinga na, sakit na ng likod ko.
At dahil gutom na tayo at hindi na tayo makapagluto sa sobrang pagod, nag-order na lang tayo sa McDonald's. Everybody's favorite, McDonald's!
Oops, it's not finished yet. We are going to pack and keep our winter clothes and winter bed sheets and blankets. Package our winter clothes and keep it in our storage room. Ayan, let's keep our winter clothes and put out our spring and summer clothes. Alright, ang ganda na ng garden ko, guys. Diba? Tumutubo na lang yan ng pusa. Walang ala-alaga dyan. Ito ang rosemary. Oh, tingnan nyo, namumulaklak siya talaga ng pusa. Galing dito sa Japan, ano? Oh, buhay na ulit ang mga flowers ko. Yay! There you go. Thank you, plants, for giving me oxygen, fresh air.
Imuyo po siya sa sobrang bigat. Kasi umulan, nabasa ng tubig, maraming water. Ayan, bumababa siya. Look at my neighbor's garden. Hindi nagpakabog. Ang bongga ng mga roses. Actually guys, dito sa Japan, sa kalsada lang, busog na ang mata mo. Ang daming magagandang flowers along the road. And take note, bawal mamitas ha. Guys, you know what? Ilang years na ako nakatira dito sa Japan, pero di pa ako nakakita ng bata or sino mang kumukuha ng bulaklak sa kalsada.
This is my flowers. You can get it if you want. Ayan, lumagpas na. Ang sarap huminga after rain. Oh, look, dumapa na yung flower ko. Wake up. Bakit kayo dumapa? Sobrang lakas ng ulan sa gabi. Guys, look, dumapa ang aking bulaklak. Sayang. But grabe, ang bango niya. Ang bango. Ang bango. Ay, ang bango. Amoy shampoo. Anong pangalan ng flower na to? I don't know what its name, but it's so beautiful. Guys, if you know the name of this flower, please write in my comment box. Ay, ganda niya. I really love the scent of after the rain. Ang bango-bango at fresh silang lahat. Para silang napaliguan. Ang bango niya. Maybe I give one of these to my patient tomorrow. She said it's just an only small. Today we are tired or lazy to cook dinner. So kakain na lang kami ng ramen. Yes, after we had general cleaning. Nakakapagod din naman magliligpit. We put out all our summer dresses and we keep our winter clothes. Normal talaga. Okay, let's go! Here in the ramen restaurant, our favorite ramen house here. Alright guys, we're here in ramen restaurant. Sashiburi ramen.
まかない丼追加で大盛りできます。大盛りできますよ。一つお願いします。一つでまかない丼大盛り一つでいいですか。はいかしこまりました。久しぶりだね。やばい。
I love lasagna. Come by. Nakalimutan kong i-video. Amin na halfway. Tadakimasu. Tantamen. Spicy noodles.
ちなみにだって逆転してんじゃん。
Yan guys, look, Japanese style. They clean the table properly. Ayan, madali nilang ligpitin. The expert. Gochosama deshita. Oishikata desu. Gochosama. Thank you, Reina, for this delicious dessert. Haagen-Dazs.
外してきたの。
Yak! Opo na! Thank Thank you, Reina, for this delicious dessert. Itadakimasu. Cookies and cream, Haagen-Dazs.
Thank you for watching. See ya! Mata ne!